Oh, now this is video worthy, Marv. Look what we got. I don't know. He's up there fiddling around paperwork, probably. Look what we got. Oh, tell you what we got. Tell you what we got. Ooh, it's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. Time, pain for suffering. Pain and suffering. It's like Christmas time. Christmas. Hey guys, it's like Christmas. It's like Christmas.
Watch it be the wrong one.
Probably, with our luck.
Why the hell you got it way up there? Why can't you have it right here?
Hey driver, pull up forward, back up about 60 and slam the brakes on. Yeehaw! Oh, wow! Well, he really did put that way up front.
Yeah, he did.
Well, you could go have a bowling alley in there. What is that tubing they got over there? Look at that. Oh, that'd make nice hydraulic oil. Hydraulic. That's some hefty duty stuff. Wow. He really did hide it up in the front.
Holy fuck, where is it? Clean up the front?
I guess.
You planning on coming here last or what?
That's the way the asshole routed me.
That's funny. Holy man. So that's what we got. Hopefully they sent the right one.
Hey, Mark. John's getting an overcake. For what? Standing bowl. What do you need that for? If not, I know I'll be getting some fucking speeding tickets.
What do you need? Oh, a speedometer cable.
Huh? Fuck it down.
Sometimes it works. Once in a while.
Between 25 and 30.
Oh yeah. We can get one. Get the VIN number off. We'll go order one from Hunter.
The VIN number is right in on the tack.
Go call.
I don't care about a tack.
Nah.
I do that by ear.
Yeah.
I just don't want to be fucking smacked.
No. My God, dude, you got to unpack the whole truck. What? Can you leave that stuff there? Or you got to put it all back in front.
Sign the bills, I'll leave it for
No, I mean, can you leave that where it's at, or you got to put it all back up there? Pretty cool, dude. They put this thing way up in the front on them. The poor guy's got to move 3 tons of stuff out of the way. No, you have to put that back up in there when you leave, or can you leave it wherever? Ooh, is that it? That's it, baby.
We'll liftgate it down onto the ground, so
You can just, you can just roll it out. It ain't gonna hurt it, but yeah, you can liftgate it down, whatever you want to do. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. What that is that spring right there. See it? It ain't delicate, but that's pretty nifty right there. That's pretty cool. Look at that. So do you gotta put that all back up the front of the truck, or can you leave it where it's at?
one I'm gonna put up.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say, man, that's a lot of work.
Well, actually, my next delivery's up.
Yeah.
The rest of that shit up my nose.
Yeah. That's pretty cool right there, that little dolly. Be pretty impossible without that lift, wouldn't it? Look at that. Is that slick or what? This dude knows how to operate that unit. It's even off-road capabilities. Look at that, huh? Look at that.
Like my new off-road truck, though.
Yeah?
Look at the front bumper on that thing.
What'd you do to it?
I go down dirt roads. I get Amish.
Oh yeah. Oh my! Yeah, that's a cute little stubby truck though, isn't it? Freightliner Cascadia. Oh yeah, oh my. Wow, look at how low that bumper is. Wow. Are you kidding me? That's gonna be awesome. He'll have pieces and bits flying everywhere. That is cool. Yeehaw! So now we can get this puppy back together. Got the radiator and everything back in Kimmy. Actually, these guys did. I didn't do much of it. I've been trimming up logs out of all my scrap piles here, and I actually got 3 loads loaded out of here this morning. So yeah, it's all about ready to be back together. So coolio. I'm gonna fix some nasty looking things, change the oil, do all that stuff. We'll rock and roll, and we'll get this one together. So yeehaw! Stay tuned, y'all. Bye bye. Ta ta.